Howdy, y'all. Well, here we are on my never-ending quest to get my subfloor replaced. Yeah, I had adjusted that that little joist previously, and finally got the nail plates in place. And here, just showing you how fun it is to take out those carriage bolts. and That's me realizing I'm always in the shot when I'm trying to show you how I prep my plumbing, or at least most of the time. Obviously, not all the time, because you guys can see some right there. But yeah, I'm just getting her done. And then back to the usual, putting the subfloor panels down. And it was a little tricky right here next to the bump out because I still have the straps at the top of the bump out. And so luckily I could just kick those 2x4s out of the way instead of having to lift them because they didn't really want to raise right there. But that's how we do for now. But just getting more of those done. It was a good weekend. And yeah, I did bring one of my 2x6s down and just kind of sistering up one that wasn't in the best of shape. I think I go over it here in a second. But yeah, just getting it ready for the plumbing that goes across there for the shower. And getting it all prepped to do those pipe joints. Alrighty, y'all. Another Saturday down. I feel like I didn't do too much. I mean, it did a fair amount, I guess, but I just thought I'd have more subfloors down, but it was all about plumbing today, and we had some material failures, as in I needed one more 10-foot copper piece, and I had a feeling I would need that, but I didn't bring one because it was raining today and I didn't want to have my window open in my car driving down the highway with it sticking out. But the other thing too is that I needed two more T's, one right here and then another one right here for the toilet water valve. But yeah, this is for the showers tubes that come this way. But yeah, I just need a T here, and so that kind of messed me up. I don't think I'll need a T over and the corners there, just some more elbows, but I think I have enough of those. I had enough to finish this side up to the back end. I prefabricated these ones with the tubes coming this way for the bathroom sink, but I still have to cut and solder the elbows over here as well. Yeah, so that meant I was only able to put these two boards in, and then since the shower cross sections are going to stop right about there, I can put the elbows on them and then just lay it in there. And so I was able to put that one down, but I do have this one cut right here, so it's ready to go once I get past that point. And I brought this 8-footer down, this new 2x6. This board wasn't too bad. It's a little ugly here where the vent pipe was, but I mean, it's still pretty solid. It's just mainly here by the throne. I don't know if there was some cutting here from repairs before, but it's still pretty solid, but it ain't pretty. Same on that side, but we had the plumbing going over there, so I couldn't really sister anything there. Like I said, I don't really need to. It's still pretty solid. It's just ugly, but I figured, I don't know why they sistered up one board here when it looks like it was originally made. I know the vanity's right there, but it's not that heavy. So I don't know why they did that, because the board looks fine on the other side. So anyway, I figured, what the heck, we'll just go with that theme. And I just sistered one up here. It's sitting on a beam there, beam here, and a beam here. So I just put adhesive on it and then screwed it in a bunch of spots. So it'll just beef it up, because that's, the shower's going to be here and the toilet, obviously. So it's just nice to not have to worry about any future issues there. So at least on that side, like I said, this one's ugly, but it's still pretty solid, so I think it'll be fine too. But that's how we do. Oh yeah, and then another material failure. I only had 4 more of these plates here, which I needed 2, 4, 6, 8, and then actually 2 in here, so 10, which I'm going to get underneath there and do it later on. So yeah, need to get nail plates, elbows, one more big 10-foot copper pipe, and then I got to figure out how to branch it off for the water main, and then the hot water heater is going to be right there, but we'll worry about that when we get to it. So anyway, yeah, so the dream of being done with all the subfloor this weekend, and actually probably next weekend, is not going to happen. I'm assuming next weekend, although I might take Thursday off, we'll see. So if I come here Thursday, we'll get more of it done, but who knows? But we got what we got. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we did. I was hoping to get this done by this weekend or next weekend at the latest, but I think we'll need one more week. So next weekend we'll finish the copper. My guess is I'll get to about there, and then the weekend after it'll be a breeze to the finish line. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ish more boards. 9 full sheets and then half sheets back there for 10 and 11. So getting closer though. Happy Wednesday, y'all, or whenever it is you're watching this, but took my second vacation day of the year today. Actually, I took it to go to a dentist appointment, but it was early enough that I figured I'd come here with a numb face and do some work. It's a little later. It's probably about 2 o'clock now almost, because I ended up, it was a nice day, and decided to kind of explore the new city that or town that I'm moving near. I'm about 15 minutes out of town, but it's a cool little town. They actually have a Habitat for Humanity store in there, and I just thought I'd check it out, and I didn't expect to find anything, but I found this little thing here. It's a ready niche. Basically, I'm going to, in this bathroom here, I'm going to tile a shower, and I did find a ready tile base pan, although it's funny because the shower is going to be here, obviously, and the old drain was on, well, actually it was in the middle with the garden tub, but it should be on this side, and then the shower head should be here. But I found a ready tile base, but the drain is on this side, so I'm not sure. I still might have the shower head here and just be unconventional and have it drain over here. But maybe I'll put the shower head here. We'll see. We'll see what I do. But anyway, since I'm tiling it in, I found this. This is like a little alcove thing for them, and usually these are about 55 bucks, and it was only $15 at the Habitat store. So I decided to grab this. I mean, it's pretty easy to make a niche in a shower, but hey, 15 bucks, it's all made. I just have to screw it in with some bracing. So easy peasy, until I have to tile it anyway. But yeah, it was pretty cool to check out the little town. And now we're here, and we're gonna do some work. I did bring one more copper pipe and the pieces I need, so probably start out doing this. We'll find out here in a second. And got some more nail plates, so I may do some of that as well. Yeah, let's get her going. So yeah, I'm using my little respirator there that I've been using when I do all the plumbing work here for, the fumes there, like right there. But on that section there, I was actually also using it for having to stand next to the stink pipe. But luckily hasn't been much usage in the septic for a while, so it isn't too bad. But it ain't good. It ain't roses. And it's been a while since I've shed some blood on this project. And right there, hit the little exposed hurricane strap there. You can kind of see the edge of it there on the left. And yep, got me good. But power on. And just finishing up a few more nail plates for y'all, and laying down more sheets of goodness. I need a participation trophy from Advantech for getting this all done here when I finally get it finished. But for now, we're just dealing with a ghost in my house that didn't want that jack on that side of the house, so it moved it onto the other side. Good stuff. All right, guys, not quite done yet with the floor, but I think we're actually gonna get it done in a couple days this weekend. So I think I'll only be like a week off of the schedule I was hoping to be on. But yeah, we got that pile of subfloor on that side all whittled down. Obviously you can see that I put the foam over there, and so we're working on that last pile there. And we need, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full sheets, and then about 31 inches of 2 more sheets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets to lay down. I'm pretty sure I can get that done Saturday. Maybe, because I still do have to do the plumbing right there, and that just pretty tedious and takes a while. So, but I got all the plumbing soldered up in here in the bathroom, and then we just have the 2 pipes going up, and then they go across there. So I just have to solder them up there. And I did mess something up here. I should have done the nail plates on this one before I put some more floor pieces down, because I screwed it in and I didn't even look up because I think this board was in the way. But yeah, not moving. So I'll just take the screws out on here, and then it'll be a test to see how well this subfloor adhesive works. It's the green subfloor adhesive, and some people complain it's more like caulk than actual glue. So we'll find out how sticky it is, because I will see if I can bend this over, or I'll just have to take this board out and move this over and get be a little wonky there, but hopefully I can straighten it out. But yeah, so everything went pretty smoothly today, but you can see that this is just shot, and so it kind of fell in when I was trying to jack up the ceiling here, or the walls, to get the subfloor in there. So yeah, definitely all falling apart on the back end here, which is fine because it's all going away anyway. I'm just surprised that it hasn't caved in, so that's good that it's still sort of up. But yeah, everything's working out. So I will see you guys here in a couple more days, which I'll probably splice it into one video, so you'll see me here in a second, I guess. All right, take care, and we'll catch you in a minute. And we'll just end this off with a nice shot of where lazy old Penny hangs out at Grandma's on the couch, because she doesn't want to hang out with Daddy when he's working anymore, because she'd much prefer to just do some of that. Good night, Penny.